dear kids. Welcome to Little Steps with Sarah. We will learn letters and phonic sounds. And today we will cover letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, and letter E and their phonic sounds. I think some of you might know the letters also. And if you do not know, you don't have to worry. We all will learn together. Yes. Okay, let's see what letter comes first in the alphabet. Haha, this is letter A. It looks like a small triangle also. This is uppercase A and it makes sounds A. This is lowercase a. 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 Apple. A. Apple. This is red apple. A. Ant. Hello, ant. A. Ant. A. Airplane. A. Airplane. We all can fly an airplane and can go around the world. A. Airplane. A. Alligator. A. Alligator. Oh, it's so scary. Alligator. A. Alligator. A. Axe. A. Axe. You know, woodcutter use axe to cut the trees. Yes. Axe. Oh, let's see what letter comes up next. This is letter B. This is uppercase B and it makes sounds B. This is lowercase b. It makes sounds B. It is not ba, it's B. B. Ball. B. Ball. It's a colorful, beautiful ball. Every one of you likes the ball and play in the park. B. Ball. B. Balloons. B. Balloons. Colorful balloons. Yes, we all ask our mama, papa to get us so many balloons. B. Balloons. B. 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 Hello, B. How are you today? B. 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 Bell. B. Bell. We see bells in the temples also. B. Bell. B. Bread. B. Bread. Yummy, yummy bread. When we put jam on it, it becomes more yummy. B. Bread. We have covered now letter B. Let's move forward. This is letter C. This is uppercase C. And it makes sounds K. You all can repeat after me. It's K. This is lowercase c. It makes sound K. K. Car. Red car. We all can drive in the car. Car. Cat. Cute cat. Cat. Cute. Meow. Coat. Coat. We all have to wear coat when it is very, very cold. Coat. Cold. Cup. Cup. We all are grown ups now, and I hope every one of you drink milk in the cup. 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 Cake. 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 Yummy, yummy chocolate cake. Cake. We have finished letter C also. Here comes letter D. This is uppercase D. It makes sounds D. This is lowercase d. It makes sounds D. Yes, you all can repeat after me. D. D. Donut. D. Donut. Chocolate. Donut. D. Donut. D. Drum. D. Drum. D. Duck. Yellow duck. D. Duck. D. Dog. D. Dog. D. Donkey. D. Donkey. Oh, it's a cute little donkey. D. Donkey. I hope you have learned the sound of letter D. D. Let's go to letter E. Letter E makes sounds. A and E have different sounds. A has sound as A and E has A. It is small. E makes sounds A. This is uppercase E. This is lowercase e and it makes sounds A. A. Eagle. A. Eagle. A. Elephant. Cute elephant. It has big, big ears. A. Elephant. A. Egg. A. Egg. Egg makes us healthy. A. Egg. A. Engine. Engine. We see engine in front of the train. Engine. Eyes. We see with our eyes. Oh, wow. We see beautiful things with our eyes. Eyes. Here we have learned 5 letters in the alphabet. Letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, and letter E. And let's all revise the sounds of all these 5 letters. Letter A makes sound A. Letter B makes sounds B. Letter C makes sounds K. Letter D makes sounds D. Letter E makes sounds Eh. Eh. I hope you all have learned with me. See you in the next part of our video where we will learn about other letters and their phonic sounds. If you like this video, please comment, like and press the bell icon to subscribe.